Google Scholar is a specialized search engine collecting scientific literature. You'll find books, articles, dissertations, bachelor's and master's theses in full text or abstracts. To receive more results, you should be logged into your ESCP email account and add the ESCP library to your settings. Go to menu Settings, Library Links, and add ESCP Europe Library to the list. Hit Save. In case your search results are connected to material from our EBSCO databases, you will now be able to access them. The results will show the title of work, the author, the according journal or book, as well as the year and publisher. Clicking on the title will redirect you to the publishing website. Underneath the abstract, you will find further information about the result. You can see how many others have cited this article before, look at similar articles, or see a different version of this article. You can save or cite this article. Clicking through the numbers of citation and similar articles can help you with your search and show you further articles you might be interested in. The results are sorted by relevance. You can change this in the filters on the left side. Phrase searching narrows your search results by allowing you to define how you want the words to appear. They're quite handy when looking for quotations. For example, the famous quotation by Winston Churchill, "Success is not final," can be found easier when writing in between quotation marks. Another option for literature search can be Bayes, the Bielefeld Academic Search Engine. This is a search engine with access to more than 150 million documents. It works quite like Google Scholar. Type in what you're looking for and your results will appear. You can narrow down your search on the right side. The open lock on the right side of your search result indicates that this file is published via open access, which means it's freely accessible for everyone on the internet. Have a look.